Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to show you the stock which were performed in advanced option strategy. So a lot of questions and come on live market you are asking about that advanced strategy. So you already learned about the advanced strategy that based on the concept we are finding the stock and were made some good profit using this concept, advanced concept, right? So if your question, what is your question? So we have some 5 different strategies, right? So using anyone have one strategy having high risky, high profit, another one having less risky, high profit, the average risk, average profit, everything you know about the strategy. But the stock selection I have already told you based on the IV concept we are doing it. Now, so this is what the stock which is generating a huge benefit which gives you the option where option trading, positional option trading by advanced strategy, what we have done today. I bought this option around 38, right? 38 call option, which was taken by 3 rupees. And it went up to 5.4. You know the target, how we can fix the target for that. So it moves more than our target today itself. So it is not an intraday trade, it is a positional trade. You have to hold up to 30 days because we are planning the trade for the next 30 days. After taking the position, if the market came down, so we know where we can make the stop loss. I bought around 3 rupees and I sold by 3.9. Someone who asking why you sold for 3.9. Maybe our target is around 4.5 to 5 rupees. Why you sold? So let us assume we are making profit. I invested, there is a lot size of I think 15k in this particular stock. So I'm going to clear your doubts on advanced strategy. So where I bought around 3 rupees, that's what your questions. So where I invested 45k in this particular option, that is 38 call option which I have taken 3 rupees, right? That required investment is around IDFC First Bank in large size is around 15k. The investment is required to do the trade is 45k, 45,000 rupees, which is required to do the trade. So I took the position around maybe around 10 o'clock, let us assume. By 10 a.m. I got a trade. Before 11 or 11:30, it went up to 3.9. So somewhere 3 rupees, it went up to 3.9, which is around 30% return where I get it from my investment. So this is what my investment. So for a 45,000, which I get a 30% return from my investment, it's a good opportunity within a 1 day or within an hour's time. I got a 30% return in option trading. It's a huge amount, right? So if I sold it out, I'll be returned back my capital of 45k plus my profit of 30%. So now my new capital will be high. So I can use this amount to next trade. So a lot of trade opportunities which is present today. IDFC Bank and IDFC First Bank and IDFC, even Tata Motor, which is giving you opportunity at the end of the day, and some other stock. I think the stock which is I think one stock Chola Finance, not Chola Finance, some other stock which gives you the opportunity, right? So the logic which I exited from the trade is simple. It gives me a 30% in intraday. That is good enough for me. But after that, it triggers my stop loss, it triggers my target. That is not a issue. But I decided this is a good enough money where I made an intraday. So I exited out. But as per the strategy, we know the target and we know the stop loss, right? So but after entering into the trade, immediately it gives me a 30% return is huge enough. So that's why I have exited. And you know well how to select a stock and how I'm doing that. So even whatever the strategies we have, so if you are applying it 2.1, 3.2, that was in profit, and future option that is also be in profit, and OTM options also that was generating huge money in this concept today on IDFC First Bank. So you just focus the stock selection, and when the stock is coming to your right entry, so that is a good opportunity to make benefit on the trade, right? So I'm also doing some trades. So when it triggers my target or it gives me a good profit, I decide this should be good enough for me, so that's why I exited. That is the main reason. It's not about I'm not waiting for a target or I'm not waiting for a stop loss. That is not a concept. The concept is working, so once you are trying to apply this concept, that will help you. So the option price also giving you good movement, right? So let I show you that option price, how it is moved based on the chart. That is where we are seeing that IDFC on daily chart. So let I'm going to check that strike price IDFC. Yeah, there is a 38 call option, right? Even IDFC also generate your entry. I'm waiting for India Bulls to give me an entry, but it is not giving you any opportunity. Let I show you 5 minutes of this chart. Let's say almost where we got an entry around 3 rupees at this point, around 9:55 we got an entry. So almost I took around 6 rupees, sorry, 3 rupees. I took entry around 9:55. Before 10 o'clock I got an entry around 3 rupees. When it in the same candle itself it went to 3.9 and after that it went up to 4.95 and it made a maximum of 5.2. But I took entry earlier, not earlier, exactly at a 3 rupees, right? And it quickly generated the profit of 3.9 rupees. It is a good enough profit within a 5-10 minutes. So if you are waiting up to 10-15, so the maximum holding period is around 20 minutes. In the 20 minutes I got a more than 30% return on my investment. It's a good enough profit where I made it, so I can exit it out. After that it even moving higher and higher, and end of the day also it is close to 4.7. so if I hold this position, it may be a 1 rupee 70 paisa is the profit, which is around nearby 25,000 plus. So the patience gives you ultimate benefit, but I am not patient today. That was I will get him quicker profit, but the stock went huge and makes huge benefit, right? So you have to track the list of stocks, how it is working, everything. If you are focusing it out, that may give you such a great opportunity to make money. Okay, so I know you are well, and this is what the some indication. So this is what the month we started with a good profit, and you can focus the strategies, and it was working good. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you very much.